Welcome to my channel Cough and Cold Home Remedy. Honey. How it works. Honey provides relief from chest congestion, losing thick mucus and helping you to cough it out. This help reduce wet cough. Make it juice. 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon ginger juice, pinch black pepper. Take a one in the morning and once before going to bed at night to get relief from a sore throat. Honey is the miracle of nature, which not only aids in improving digestion but boosting your metabolism also. Thank you for watching and don't forget to my channel, subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.